All right, this is Algebra 2, Chapter 3.3. We're going to be completing a square. Let's get started. All right, so now we're trying to find a value of c so we can make number 12 and 20 a perfect square trinomial. So in order to find the c value, you're going to have to use the b value, which is positive 20 divided by 2, and then you square it. So that's going to be positive 10 square, and that's going to be positive 100. So the c value is 100. So for number 20, you want to use the b value, which is negative 26. You divide it by 2, and then you square it. So that's going to be negative 13, and you square it, which equals to positive 169. So c is going to equal to 169. Okay, so we're going to solve the equation by completing the square. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and add 6 on both sides. So this becomes s squared plus 2s, going to leave a little space, equals to positive 6. So I'm going to use the positive 2 as my b value. You divide by 2 and you square it. So this is going to give you positive 1. So you're going to insert that positive 1 on the left side and the right side. So now I'm able to write this as s plus 1 parentheses squared equals to 7. If you take the square root on both sides, this square root of 7 becomes positive and negative. So s plus 1 equals to positive negative square root of 7. And go ahead and subtract 1 on both sides. Go ahead and erase this. So s is going to equal to positive negative square root of 7 minus 1, and that's your answer. For number 30, I'm going to distribute the x, so I can rewrite this as x squared plus 8x equals to negative 20. So use the positive 8, that's your b value. You divide it by 2, and then you square it. This is going to equal to positive 16. So I'm going to add 16 on both sides. So this is going to equal to square of x plus 4 equals to negative 4. Take the square root on both sides. This becomes positive negative. So x plus 4 is going to equal to positive negative 2i. If you subtract 4 on both sides, you can isolate the x. Let's go ahead and erase this. So x is going to equal to positive negative 2i minus 4, and that's your answer. So now we're going to write the quadratic functions in vertex form. Look at number 58. Let's go ahead and write this as h of x equals to x squared plus 20x. Now I'm going to pull the positive 90 on the very right side. So we're going to use the positive 20. You're going to divide it by 2, and you square it. So this is going to be positive 100. So I'm going to put plus 100. At the same time, I'm going to have to put minus 100. So let me go ahead and erase this. So we can write this as a square of a binomial. So h of x is equal to square of x plus 10, and then plus 90 minus 100. So subtract 10, and that's your vertex form. So same thing for number 60. F of x is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 16. So rewriting that, I'm going to find out the new c value. Positive 6 is my b value, so divided by 2, and you square it. That's going to give you positive 9. So add 9, and then subtract 9 here. Let's go ahead and erase the work and rewrite this as f of x equals to x plus 3 squared minus 25, and that's your vertex form. All right, that's it for this lesson. Take care.